Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Yayu. Now I would like to show you how to make Indonesian vegetable fritter. Well, the first thing you need is 200 grams of flour, 200 grams of cabbage, 100 grams of carrot, pepper powder, chicken powder, 1/2 kilos of cooking oil, and water. First of all, chop the carrot and the cabbage like this. Put them into a bowl. Add the carrot and the cabbage into a bowl. Add the flour, chicken powder, and the pepper. The last is the water. Mix the butter until the butter is like this. And then you have to heat cooking oil in a frying pan. Take 1 tablespoon of butter and then fry using medium heat. When the color is golden brown, take the fritter and remove the excess oil. Well, the fritter is ready to serve. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.